one day after you get it done, this bestie are going to be absolutely helpful for you. So you're gonna apply this good amount, not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is gonna go to flood your crystal. Too thin is going to pop off. It's not going to stay. And don't forget to add the no wipe top coat. Where's the no wipe top coat? Right there. Like a fall theme. That's it. Oh, I like that. And then add some of the glow in the darks. Just a little bit. I don't want it to cover my really cute, the kind of a stained glass look. Just a little bit. And then some beads on. The best place to add the beads on is to add it right in between of the joy of the crystals, or joy of crystal and frame, between crystal and frame, or between frame and frame, or charms and charms. So I get the perfect shot in perfect shot from the glow in the dark crystal kits. Just one more green right there. I like that, going to that veins. Like a glass. All right, I'm happy with this. We are going to cure, and then make sure you wipe up on the edges, so then that way it will not have an extra of excuse me.